Big up, big up, big up, big up, big up, Johnny Boy, one more. Big up, big up. You know one song, big up, get Sydney. Big up, Johnny, Lion. Big up, big up, big up. Bless it, take it down, take it down. Hold on there. When you know, say everybody have to have a little daddy night business. Big up my daddy night house, you understand me? You know, fish and you. Want Mr. BLA? Oh, the big man married now, you know, so anybody will try running, it can't work. So you say, all who try running, it can't work. Mr. BLA, congratulations. You understand me? Everybody on a private thing, because we see it on Facebook. Suck out tongue. Why? Big up yourself. June, you didn't have the wedding? You didn't have the wedding? You was at the wedding? Hey, let me tell you something. You see when you have wedding, you must have good singer wedding. But anyway, my brother married and big up yourself. Papa, Admiral Bailey, yeah, Glendon Bailey. One of them need to marry now. Yeah. Now you understand me? And the ladies they were sleeping for night. I said, Deacon Bailey, you look good, you know, you're one of the best man. They look so good, boy, I tell you. Can't get the tank now. Because the missing man, clothes fit man. Some of them man a big belly, mash up the clothes looking. But anyway, when you have a wedding, you need an artist that is very capable of dealing with the situation. So the man decides he want to hit the thing first. So we not run around now. Ladies and gentlemen, this singer is one of the baddest singers in the island. And you have another baddest singer in the island. So two great singers under one roof tonight. The younger of the rest. This is no ordinary singer. Him say man somewhere for go. Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to put your hands together and welcome to center stage. A young artist in his own rights. This is one of the artists that make me know say, yeah, Deacon Bailey, come we are going to fire and bag of things. Ladies and gentlemen, all the ladies, I want to hear you scream. This is no ghost hour. This is no fairy tale. This is no nightmare. Welcome to center stage. The singing, Duppy, Mr. Carlton Hilton is not a naming, but we Jamaican over decades known as the singing Duppy. Let the young ladies scream. All those, welcome to center stage. Inside of Kingston, Jamaica. Go! Mr. Manager, put some volume on this mic, put some reverb, put some echo, so my ladies can hear me. Wow. Mr. Music, play. Go swing.
Ooh. love. She smiled at me under sun. She was with another man. I won't lose it, won't sleep on it, 'cause I got it up on my lady. You're beautiful, and you're beautiful, lady. You're beautiful. I know, I swear, in a crowded place, yeah, and I don't know what to lose. I don't know, 'cause I'll never be there. Don't pay no mind. I think I take a chance to race with them, so you know? And they're bad bands. You hear them up here? Sure. You ready to give them back? This one. And I never, ever, I want them to remember the one here. You think I need this side, baby? As I said before, those little babies, they take you. And I'm never, ever, and never gonna let you. This time, give me this time. You think I leave your side, baby? You want me better than that. Think I live down when you're down and you're pretty wise. I'll take you in the right to you walk. And if only you can see it so bad. My baby, put no ladies, when you call, I'll be there, hold you, soon, when you're lost, I can't get in, I will show you, you're so much more, when you're lost, and you're alone, you can't get back again. I will find you, darling, I'll bring you home. And if you wanna cry, close this ear to try your eyes. No, and it goes stop. You think I'll leave your side, baby? You want me better than that. Think I'll get down when you're down on your knees. goes through that. I'll tell you when you're watching you walk, and if only you can sing it to me. My baby, my baby. I did not get to rehearse in the box. You know listen again? Me never get to rehearse in the box. So whatever mistake of yours, broke thinking out of it. Yes. So Mr. Music. Break it down. And then my baby sing. Take it down some more. Thank you so much. I know because it's the first time here, and the way this lady's going on. When I look at you right now, you know what you're doing to me, Mr. Music. If our love was a fairy tale, I would be the name that compares to you. Are we happy to be the same? So when I don't think you see eye, and if you have babies, they can look like you'd be so easy for it that we don't even know that it's special. Can't believe it now. Can I get my babies? You need me. You're everything good in my life. Leave me there. I still can't believe it's your mind. You just walk out and wanna ride. So anybody leaving me. And then very first speech, now let's jump to the beat. And if we had babies, they would have your eyes. I would fall deeper watching you get blind. You don't even know how special you are. Oh, my baby, leave me back. With everything in my life. Leave me back. Still can't believe it's over. You just walk down the water. So let me get a bridge. You must have been in from heaven to earth to change man. Things that have been stronger than I believe in. I only own that I only deserve what you give me. But all I can do is try. Everything in my life. so much. And you know, ladies, bring it, take it down. I want to play, but take it down slow. Ladies, you know that we are man. And sometimes, you know, because we are man that one, we don't want to apologize. But me, listen to me. Me never apologize. Me apologize. Oh, listen to me. It's when me go at night time I'm just sitting just me alone on the bed. You know me. You know me, I'm going to do. So look what I say. Same thing, but it feels just a little bit bigger now. Ladies and gentlemen, women, I'm a lover. I love to do it with them females. So you see, any lovers here tonight, don't come taking photos and pictures. Which is right after you leave here. You should take your female, and female you should take your man. And you go someplace that is only 4 walls looking at you. Oh no. And you look in his eye, you look in her eyes. And you make passionate love and you tell her this. These walls keep a secret. It's only we know. And all love can't they keep it? 'Cause we do lose control. We do shadow. She's one man. We can't do it. Oh, no, we can do it. Oh, no. Something like this. These walls keep a secret. Only we know. And oh no, and they keep it. 'Cause we do lose God. We do shadow. Chasing the rainbow. Behind those windows, behind, can I get my name? And if we walk you, ever see I want you more, they would, yeah, never feel it. And then you will always, the one part, break it down. Some people making memories so good today. It dissolves never when we're alive. Where we do shadow behind those windows. They would say about you more. They would, yeah. And then you will always the one part. And you do always still love. They would. I'm the next. Every movie, I love it. Whoa. I feel like changing. I feel like changing my. Don't be no people. Don't want to change my life a little bit. Actually, I'm an artist. I'm going for something, man. Pinch as they have no one to. Yeah. So, yeah, what you do? Can we get a tempo up a little bit for me, please? Mr. Music, so we can make the people have more joy. You ready, Mr. Music? Ready now? Ladies and gentlemen, watch it. 1, 2, 3, 4. a shot redemption. Going in a car, and I'm going to grave. Golden, gold, nothing to I'm away, Mr. Belly, Belly. I don't know this part will be. You give me up, I can be up. I can call you Betty, and Betty, Betty, you can call me. Walk down the street, bring my shoulder attention, yeah. Shoulder spread attention, yeah. Oh my age is so long, where is my life? Family, why you find that? Who is my road? Big up Jungle Piper. Big up the boss right here. Thank you for your welcome, Mr. Frank. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, you want a few more ghosts? Thank you so much. Come on, come on, these things. No, come on. Yes. Tell me. Where are they? wish me there. You know, any female that wish me you were there, like how me there, you know what I take on? East side and north side. You know it's not what I take on? After the girls, but we reach slow, when we gotta go, nobody wanna know, so the couple ladies, the next. Next, to the venue.
So whatever mistake rock in our ears. Yes. So Mr. Music. sweet sometimes. You know why? Smoke good for me, baby, baby. Good for me. That's a burning by the tree. Natural vibes like. Pull up, pull up, pull up, pull up. And then we're gonna move. I'm gonna serve that lady this way. So here we're gonna do. Let me sing song for the ladies right here. Yeah, I didn't get the words. Give me the key. To all the lovers here tonight. Bring it down a little bit lower. Bring it down in the lower key. Thank you so much. And to the lovers here tonight, I didn't get a verse, but I know my stuff. The band's gonna know the stuff. I want to perform for your people. And this one's big. Break it down with some music. I see a peace that I know across the distance and spaces between us. You have come to show. Love is the thing that goes lost. I don't care what they say. Make it out. Was when I left you, one true time I want you in my life with love. Go to the bridge. Oh so much. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Music. Play Ghost Way. Play Ghost Way. Yeah. Right there. Yes, ma'am. Ready for them to go. No, delay. Let's start up. Start up. One. Yeah, ready there. No itch. No itch. No itch. 1, 2, 3. Shot. Push that ghost out of sleep. And nice and deep. Just was talking to you, boy. It's so sad. It takes time. Ladies, look out to us. Get out of the I don't like to sing piece of the song, you know. I like to sing it out. Thank you so much. And this one, because I said it a while ago. I listen to the sound of the rain pouring down my chest to bring my pain. Trying to be strong, but I'm not getting paid. Oh, staring apart is harder. I lie awake, 'cause I can't take. It's been too long, I can't hold on. I need it. going on. Go to the next track, the artist there. Time is going on. You can't do one like a ghost in concert. Ladies and gentlemen, please forgive me. And nothing else. That's whatever you say, you gotta get something. Whoa, take it out. I know just souls. I know just where to find souls. I know just how to face. I know just, take it out. I know just when to face the truth. I know just what to do, and I know just what to do, and I know just what to do. I know what to pull you closer, and I know the night is fading, I know the time is over, and I never gonna tell you what to think. Slow. I know just how to fake it. I know just how to scheme. I know just when to face the truth. I know just, ladies, I know just where, and I know just what. I know when to pull you close, and I know the time. And I never gonna tell you everything I gotta tell you. I know what's up. On the road, yeah. I know the ways, yeah. I know the rules. Always got the name of the game, but I'm never gonna make it. Do you really wanna see me fall? And I'm never gonna make it like you do. Making my records on the music. Take it out. Looking for a rhythm like you. He can take the darkness from the beat of the night, thinking that it's endless about everything I know, not until I give it to you. Let me have that on. Let me have it right now. Mr. Music, right away. One. I know, ladies and gentlemen, I love you so much. But I love to give manners and respect and due when it comes. I ain't just get a letter from my baby. She won't let go. I ain't got to let you know. No, no.
Telling me your much. Wonder what can make you stay. I love you, baby. I never bought you fancy clothes. Never brought you chocolates or rose. Wonder if you think like love. I know you can't pretend. I don't even care what. You didn't play your side. No, you didn't play your side. No, not the guys out there. I'm gonna tell you I never wish, but I love you. Oh no, love you. Yeah, I wish you. Hey, do me like you. Hey, do me like you. I gotta leave. If you want more, you gotta wait till the picture's finished. Thank you so much for your welcome. You know I'm doing things again. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Princess goes in concert. Stuart Grover. Hey, round of applause. Cause in the finish, you know, in the done.